What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel Houseplantslove. I'm here to help you grow a greener thumb without breaking the bank or getting overwhelmed by all the gardening tools out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned gardener looking to expand your toolkit, today's video is all about the essential gardening tools you need to get started and a few advanced tools for when you're ready to level up. Well, the right tools can make all the difference in the world of indoor gardening. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a special bonus tool that's my absolute favorite for saving time in the garden, plus a quick hack on how to keep your tools sharp and rust-free without spending a ton of money. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we dive in, please subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Let's keep growing together. Let's kick things off with the absolute basics. These are the tools every beginner gardener should have. I'm talking about the must-haves. No fluff, no unnecessary gadgets. First up, pruning shears. A good pair of pruning shears is the first tool you'll need. This one right here is a bypass pruner. Bypass pruners are perfect for making clean cuts on plants, which helps them heal faster and grow healthier. You'll use these for everything from deadheading flowers to trimming small branches. Make sure to get a pair with a comfortable grip because trust me, you'll be using these a lot. You're also going to need a way to water your plants effectively. So next is a good watering can with a narrow spout. This helps you control the water flow and prevents overwatering, which is crucial for indoor plants. A hand towel is a small tool with a pointed, scoop-shaped metal blade. Perfect for potting plants, digging small holes, planting seeds, transplanting seedlings, and even mixing soil. Make sure to choose one with a comfortable handle that fits well in your hand. And don't forget the plant mister, a lifesaver for indoor plants. Indoor plants often need a little extra humidity, especially in dry environments. A plant mister is perfect for giving your plants a refreshing spritz. If you want to know several techniques for how to increase the humidity for indoor plants, you can check out our previous videos. But what about those of you with a bit more experience or a larger indoor garden? Here are some advanced tools to elevate your gardening game. A soil moisture meter is a game changer, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water. This tool can help prevent overwatering or underwatering. If your indoor garden doesn't get enough natural light, grow lights are essential. They simulate sunlight and ensure your plants get the right amount of light year-round. It is ensuring your plants stay happy and healthy. For those who want to get really technical, a pH meter is great for checking your soil's acidity. A pH meter is a great tool for optimizing soil conditions, as different plants have different pH needs. And finally, plant labels and waterproof markers. These might seem basic, but they're super helpful, especially if you're growing multiple plants or experimenting with different species. Now that you've invested in some good tools, it's important to take care of them so they last. A simple tool sharpener can make a world of difference. Just a few passes over the blades, and your tools will be as good as new. This is especially important for cutting tools like pruners. And here's a quick bonus tip. Keep your tools organized and stored in a dry place. It'll make them easier to find when you need them, and it'll also prevent rust and damage. Remember, having the right tools is key to a thriving indoor garden. Whether you're just starting your indoor gardening journey or you've been nurturing plants for years, investing in quality tools can significantly improve the health and beauty of your plants. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which tools you can't live without, or if there's a tool you're curious about.